Okay, so before earlier video, I wasn't able to work this question out, but I've since worked out what it's all about. So a new sample size of n is taken, which is used to calculate a 95% confidence interval for the population proportion of defective LED sensors. Confidence interval correct to 3 decimal places is 0.062 to 0.213. So that is the 95% confidence interval. It says using the value z equals 1.96, determine the sample size n. I think what we need to do is we need to find out what the mean sample proportion is, which would be directly in the middle of the 95% confidence interval. So you need to take 0.062 plus 0.213 and halve it. So you find the middle, right? So I already forgot what it is, 0.062 plus 0.213 divided by 2. That gives us 11 on 80. So that's our estimate of the mean sample proportion. You can tell I'm not confident. Anyway, I think so. I think that's right. And then what we need to do is we need to say, okay, the 95% confidence interval uses a z value of 1.96. So it basically says, if I show you the formula sheet quickly. So this is our approximate confidence interval. It says z is 1.96. P hat is our is our estimate of the population proportion. And then so we just have to apply this rule and then find n. So I think what we need to do, if we come over here, is we need to do p hat, which is 11 on 80 minus 1.96 multiplied by the square root of 11 on 80 by, okay, 1 minus 11 on 80 is 69 on 80 divided by n. And then all of that equals the lower limit of our 95% confidence interval. So that's 0.062. So if we solve that on a CAS, we go 11 on 80 minus 1.96 multiplied by the square root of 11 on 80 multiplied by 69 on 80 divided by n. And we need to let that all equal 0.062. Could have done the plus version as well, but let's just do this one. Okay, select all, interactive, advanced, solve for n. 79.92. Okay, so I think we round up or down. Okay, I'm going to say we round up. Because you have to take a sample size of a whole number. So I reckon n equals 80 to give us a 95% confidence interval of that width. Let me know what you think.